In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the calorie targets in MacroFactor. So what you'll need to do first is simply go and download the application if you don't have it downloaded into your phone. If you do have it, just go and access that application. Of course, if you have an account, make sure to log in into your account, and if you don't, go and create your account. This app is paid, and you'll get a 7 days free trial for $1 if you want to start it out or test it. Keep that in mind. It's not free. So now how to change the calorie targets in MacroFactor. So let's say example, each day I have this amount of calories, as you can see that I need to reach, which is around 2000. This is depending on the goal that I set for myself. So if I go here to strategy and scroll down a little bit, I'll find here for me in my goal I have a maintenance goal to maintain like 70 kilogram. Of course, for you, you may have like different units that you calculate with could be pounds or something like that. So don't get confused by that. So as an example, for me here, I'm just going to set a new goal to change the calorie target. I can go and set a new goal, example. So maybe I want to lose weight. For me, I'm just going to keep maintain weight. I'm going to want to keep maintain this. Click on continue. And here now I can set a new program. So if I go here and choose coached as an example, they'll design a calorie and everything for you, and you, of course, you don't have to do nothing. If you want to change the calorie by your own, you'll have to go and choose manual. If you go and choose manual, so for example, I'm just going to do the same targets all week, and here again, as you can see here, you'll be able to choose how much calories that you should eat. Maybe 2000, 5 gram of protein, 5 gram of fat, 5 gram of carbs. So for me, I'm just entering some random information. As you can see here, you set it up by your own. Of course, you'll be able to, let's the coach as example, adjust that for you if you want to. As you can see, this is what I need to eat now, 2000. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.